Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. I know you're probably all upset right now because I'm not Sean and I don't have a sweet soul patch, but Sean is in Florida right now on vacation trying to catch fish and catch a tan too. But we're going to be doing a rough country giveaway. We're actually going to be giving away 2 kits in total. So 2 winners. First place winner is going to get $1,500 towards a rough country lift plus an additional $1,000 towards rough country accessories. So like their winches, they got light bars, they got all the cool stuff. I can't say, I was gonna say shit. And then second place winner is just gonna have a $1,500 credit towards a rough country lift kit only, not the accessories. So first place winner, $1,500 for a lift kit and $1,000 for accessories. Second place is going to get $1,500 towards a lift kit. How to enter, just like all of our other giveaways, go over to our site, click the banner for the new Rough Country shirts. That's how you're going to enter. You're going to purchase one of these Rough Country shirts here that we designed. Pretty cool shirt. I got one first. I was one of the first ones to get one, so I feel really special. So you're going to go ahead and purchase that shirt. When you purchase one, you get entered into the contest. We have 1,000 shirts to give away. Once they are gone, they are gone. They're not going to be any more. Okay. So this one's going to start today, run all the way till March 30th, and then we're going to pick a winner from there. At the end of this promotion, once you pick the winners, we're going to be making a contribution to Catch a Lift Foundation. What it is, they are a foundation that helps post 9/11 veterans in their rehab process using physical fitness, and that's probably why one of the reasons they chose me to do this, because I am a star poster child for physical fitness, so it only makes sense. Like I said, buy the shirt, buy the old Rough Country limited edition shirt on our site. We got 1,000 of them to sell. Get entered to win. 2 winners on this one, which is kind of cool, a little different. First place winner gets $1,500 towards the lift kit and $1,000 towards the accessories. Second place gets $1,500 towards the lift kit. Peace.